Hey, curious minds, ready to turn your questions into knowledge? Let's dive in.
Stomach growling, or borborygmi, occurs when gas and fluids move through the intestines. When you're hungry, your brain signals your digestive system to start peristalsis, preparing for food digestion. This action causes the walls of your intestines to contract, creating the growling sound. To manage growling, eating small, frequent meals and staying hydrated can help maintain a quieter digestive system.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.